Today, I am going to show you the 5 best free AI image generators that you can use to create high quality and realistic images for free. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Number 1. Ideogram AI. First, open Ideogram AI. You will see an interface like this. Enter your prompt here. If you want, you can also upload a reference image. Next, choose the model. You will see options like 4 and 3, but we'll leave it on auto because the AI will automatically choose the best model. Here you can select the number of images. You can generate up to 4 images at once, but we'll keep it at 1. Set the aspect ratio to 3 to 4. We don't need the other options right now, so we'll leave them as they are. Now click generate. After a few seconds, your image will be ready. You can download it from here. Number 2. Wave Speed AI. Now let's move to Wave Speed AI. Click on image. Then select the Nano Banana 2 model. Enter your prompt. If you have a reference image, you can upload it here, but the prompt alone is enough. Set the aspect ratio to portrait 3 to 4. Resolution to 1K. And format to PNG. Then click generate. Your image is now ready. And you can download it from here. Number 3. VO AI. Next is VO AI. Select VO 3.1. Set the quality to 1080p and choose the portrait 9:16 aspect ratio. Enter your prompt and click generate. In a few moments, your image will be ready. Simply download it from here. Number 4. Leonardo AI. Now let's check out Leonardo AI. Click on image and enter your prompt. Then choose a model. There are several models available. But we'll keep it on auto. Set the style to portrait. The image dimensions to 1 to 1. And the number of generations to 1. Click generate. And once the image is ready, Download it from here. Number 5. Quen AI. Finally, we have Quen AI. Click on image generation. Set the aspect ratio to 3:4. Enter your prompt and click generate. After a few seconds, your image will be ready. And you can download it from here. These are the 5 best free AI image generators you can use to create amazing AI images for free.